So we offer exterior structural tile ranges. They can be installed on quick build framing system or on a screw jack pedestal system, or pods as some people call them. Or they can be installed on natural ground, being compacted sand or gravel. So what makes these tiles special is they're an exterior structural tile. So that means that they are able to span between 2 points. They don't have to be directly stuck to, say, a concrete slab. So the dimensions of our tiles are a 600 by 600 by 20 mils thick. We can manufacture them to different sizes for larger commercial projects for you if required. So to help you choose which tiles may be right for your project, you can order our samples online, or you can go to our projects page and you can check out recent projects that have used our structural tiles.